Hi guys. So what do you do when you want to color your hair but you don't want the damage from coloring? Use a temporary color. I found this really cool pop color gel that acts as a twist gel as well, and it helps your hair stay twisted longer and also has really good curl definition, and it adds a little pop of color depending on how much you add, and it's amazing. And I've used it a couple of times, and I wanted to do a review and also a tutorial on how I use it. So stay tuned and I will be right back with a review and a tutorial. So first I start with my hair washed, shampooed, and deep conditioned and detangled. I have three items I use. I have my Melanin Hair Care, I have leave-in conditioner, and my color gel. I'll be splitting each section into two parts just for easy application, and then clipping one of the sections back. I'll start first with a little bit of a finger detangle just to get all of the tangles out. Using Melanin Hair Care, add it to the strands first. And this is just to stretch out my Braid-Outs. I'm started to use it in all of my Braid-Outs now because it just elongates my hair and makes my hair stay curly longer. Then I use my leave-in on top of that. And then the color gel. Start with a little finger amount, and you're going to want to add it to the ends of the hair first, kind of working your way up, kind of like a little bit of a streak. I start at the ends because I just want mostly like a little bitty pop of color at the ends of my braids. Some people put it all through the hair, but I just want it at the very ends. And as you can see, the color really does like disseminate very quickly. And then a quick braid. And I saw that the ingredients did mix really well. I didn't get a lot of flaking, really no flaking at all. It was really clean. They really did blend together well. And then I do the back braid, adding color pop to the ends. And as you can see, it gives a nice color at the ends. Just make sure you kind of like get it through there. And you can be as light or as heavy-handed as you want, depending on how much color you want. And then just braiding it up. That down to the ends, and then we're speeding it up a little bit, making sure that that color is down to the ends. Braiding up each little section. And we're at the end. I had to speed it up a little bit just because these braids can take me almost an hour to do. It's crazy. I can already see a hint of brown in my hair, which is really all I want from the color. So we're down to the end, and so this is my braid out using the curl gel with color. And as you can see, it's just a little bit of color at the ends of my braids. I'm not really one to put it all through my hair like some of the wax videos you probably have seen, just because I can't really commit to like a full head of color like that. But a small amount is something that I love to kind of change up. It's still a little wet and needs time to kind of soak in. So after it dries, a lot of the clumpiness goes away and then you're left with the color. So I'm going to do a takedown video so you guys can see how it turns out at the end, and I will be right back. This is what it looks like when it's dry. If I can get a little closer here, that's just a little bit of speckling. Depending on how much you add, your hair might be a little bit darker, but this is where mine is. So let me take it down really quick. Let's not forget our oil. So you guys have seen the pictures, and that just added like a little bitty pop of color, and that's really all that I want. It just adds kind of a little lightening for a new season. And so that is my review and my tutorial using the Gemini Naturals Color Gel. And also I'm still using my Melanin Hair Care on my twist outs, which is making them amazing. As you guys can see, this is going to be day 1 curls, and I am already happy. So thank you guys for tuning in, like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching Hair Evolution. I'll see you all on my next video.